If I was to start my brand photography business all over again in 2026, I wanted to share the 5 things that I would incorporate a lot sooner. Wish I had, since I've been doing this for 15 years. All right, so a lot of these things I've started probably 5 years ago. Some things are newer, older, but boy, have they had the best impact on my business overall, and having repeat clients, referral clients, speaking opportunities, and being aligned with my ideal client. So number 5 is investing in yourself. This was probably one of the hardest ones for me to conquer because I had no problem buying new gear for the business. I did go to photography school, so I figured once I graduated, I learned everything, but that is not the case. There is the technical side of things and of course gear, but buying into courses or memberships and building your business has been a game changer for me. So you could start small, whether it's a small class on Instagram, if that's something that you want to tackle, or learning more about LinkedIn, or taking a class to know more how to, use Canva if you wanted to use that in your business. Then you can get into mentorships, coaching. Like for instance, people have been coming for me for one-on-one coaching. You can find classes on maybe you want to build online courses. I've taken classes in that. It was difficult at first for me because when you buy a piece of equipment, you get it, you know exactly how much it costs. And after a few jobs, you know that's paid off and that you could, take different types of images or whatever you desired for that piece of equipment, for example. But with investing in yourself, how do you apply that? And it's actually something I do now on a yearly basis. I try to do something to build my skills in business, or if I want to create online courses and I need more skills in an area, I'm now more apt to invest because one, I know as a brand photographer, I can then pass some of that knowledge on to my clients, which makes me more valuable. But then I now have the skill to then build off and have other revenue streams in my business. Having more coffee meetups. I know this might sound minimal, but honestly, when you're a freelance photographer or you have your own photography business, you are at home editing or you're going out on location with a client job. Then you're back editing, and sometimes you could feel like you're by yourself. And I have been doing coffee meetups, not with other photographers, but other business owners. They could be my clients. It could just be a networking event around a fundraising event. And meeting those other individuals, one, it just helps when you can bounce different, business ideas. You can talk about what you're doing. You can support them. And just getting out of your office or your editing area, it just kind of revived me. And so it always was nice. Sometimes I'd be like, oh, I'd just rather stay and work on this. But getting out there, having just a simple 1 hour coffee meetup with a friend or another business owner was something that I'm always trying to incorporate more. In the past probably 2 years, I've been doing a lot more of that. Number 3 is personal projects. And I haven't done this enough. In this past year, I really leaned into this more. When you create personal projects that you are funding, you can really express your creative ideas. And when you're putting that on your portfolio page or you're showing on social media, people can get a better sense of the work that you can do, because sometimes if you're stuck in your lane of like always capturing the typical type of client, but you really want to be working with a different type of client, having those personal projects that you may self-fund is a way to then showcase what you can do and what you want to be doing. So that is something that I wish I'd started way back when, but I'm happy I'm on track now. And so personal projects, big or small, it just starts to, you can become more creative. You don't have as much pressure if it's a non-paying client, and you can really have some fun. All right, so those are the 5 things that I would incorporate into a brand new brand photography business. Yes, you have to work on the technical skills, but these are the real business elements that will help impact your presence in your area. I'm going to leave a video here of a recent photo video shoot, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you there.